Hey guys, you are with the Tech Science. Today we are discussing how the formation of sodium chloride is going on with the help of the sodium and the chlorine. So for the reason, actually we already have posted one video regarding the structure of an atom. If you want to see that video, just follow the link which is given in a description. So in that we are aware of the structure of an atom, what is proton, neutron, electron, what is atomic number, what is atomic mass number, etc. Okay, so for the formation of common salt, also called as the sodium chloride, we have having the basic knowledge regarding the electronic configuration as well as the atomic number. See what happened here. First of all, we have the sodium element, that is called Na, and we have the chlorine. Okay, so this sodium and the chlorine atom. So regarding sodium, the atomic number is 11. What is atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but the number of proton in an atom. And generally in an isolated atom, the number of proton and electron both are same, and for the reason here the number of proton or electron we can say like this also. Okay, so as the atomic number of sodium is 11, what about the electronic configuration? In the first shell we know that there are maximum capacity is 2, so we put forth here 2 electron. The second orbit we have the 8, so 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, so how much remain? Only 1 remain. On behalf of that, the first orbit 2 electron, second orbit 8, and the last orbit, that is called outermost orbit, it is 1. Okay, and regarding chlorine we have the atomic number 17, and if you want to becomes what should be the electronic configuration of chlorine, so you can write like that. In the first orbit 2, so maximum capacity is 2, that is called K orbit. What about L? Maximum capacity is 8, 8 plus 2 10. How much remain? Only 7. So in the outermost orbit of chlorine there are 7 electrons are there. Now we know that here in the outermost orbit of the sodium and the chlorine there are 1 and 7 electrons are there respectively. Now they want to acquire the octet, and as per the law of octave, in the outermost of orbit of sodium it required 8 electron for stability, to acquire the stability. In the same manner, chlorine also required 8 electron to acquire its octet to become a stable. Now in front of sodium there are two options. Either sodium has to donate 1 electron or sodium has to accept 7 electron. Am I right? And in front of chlorine also there is the two options are there. Either the chlorine donates 7 electron or the chlorine has to accept 1 electron. So what should about the sodium and the chlorine? Now what kind of action they are taking? Observe. So sodium, instead of accepting 7 electron, sodium has tendency to donate 1 electron. And after donating 1 electron, the sodium having the configuration, electron configuration 2, 8. After donating this 1 electron, so it becomes 2, 8, and the sodium converts into the Na plus, means it acquires the positive ion after donating 1 electron. Now question is what? Why sodium donates 1 electron rather than accepting 7? So the answer is like that, because of the energy requirement. How? To donate 1 electron, how much energy is required? You can imagine. Rather than if sodium has tendency to accept, so to accepting 7 electrons more energy required as compared to donating 1 electron. So sodium has tendency to donate 1 electron and acquire the stability. For the reason, after donating 1 electron, this Na converts into the Na plus ion. It acquired the positive charge. What about chlorine? Yes, chlorine. So chlorine accept 1 electron. Yes, how? So the energy required to accept 1 electron is less as compared to donating 7 electron. So chlorine accept 1 electron. It having the tendency to accept 1 electron, and after accepting 1 electron, what is electronic configuration? 2, 8, 8. And here the chlorine acquire negative charge. It acquires the negative charge. So if you observe, after donating 1 electron from the outermost orbit of sodium, it is nearest to the now electronic configuration is nearest to its elements of the inert gas, and like neon. And here the chlorine, after accepting 1 electron, it is also the new electronic configuration. It is equal to nearest the inert gas element. Example, argon. Okay. Now here the sodium having the plus charge and the chlorine having the minus charge, and when these two elements come together, they are close together. Now there is, because of the electrostatic force of attraction in between oppositely charged ion, so here ionic bond has been created in between these, and this Na plus and this Cl minus turns into the NaCl, that is called common salt, also called as the sodium chloride. So this is what the point, it is called formation of the sodium chloride by making an ionic bond between the Na plus and the Cl minus. If you want to like draw the diagram regarding the formation of NaCl, it's very easy. How? Observe, this is what the diagram of sodium, in which this is what the nucleus, this is the first orbit, this is the second orbit, and this is the last orbit. Am I right? This is what the third orbit. In case of sodium Na, what is the electron configuration? Atomic number 11. Electron configuration 2, 8, 1. So this is the first 2 electron, 2. This is what? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And in the last orbit only 1 electron is there. Now what happened here? This 1 electron donated to the chlorine when they come close to each other. Observe, this is what the nucleus of the chlorine, this is the first orbit, this is the second orbit, and this is the third orbit. Now what happened here? Now again the electron configuration as per the atomic number 17, what is it? Is 2 in the first orbit, 8 in the second orbit, this is what 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last we have the 7 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7, and here you want one more electron that I shown you with the help of the green. So here this sodium is accepted by the chlorine, whatever the 1 electron donated by the sodium which is accepted by the chlorine, and after that what happened here? The sodium, it converts into the Na plus. After donating 1 electron by the Na, and it is accepted by the Cl. Now the final diagram is, this is what the nucleus of Na, this is the first orbit, this is the second orbit, and this is the last, that is called third orbit, and the outermost orbit. And here the electrons are like this, 2, 8, 1. And last 1 is not there because 1 electron is donated already, and now this N is turns into the Na plus and plus. What about the chlorine? This chlorine having the stable electron configuration after accepting 1 electron from the sodium atom. Okay, so here this is what the third and the last orbit. Okay, now this is what the Cl, and this Cl get converts into the Cl minus. Okay, this is 2, 8, this is what the 8, again 8, 1, this 2, this 3, this is the 4. Now, and this is what the electron which is accepted, and it get converts into the Cl minus, and this Na and this Cl forms a ionic bond in between these two because of the electrostatic force of attraction in between the oppositely charged ion, and NaCl get forms. I hope you understood the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.